Hello, my name is Leb, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use TrialLine's new criteria filter. The criteria filter option enables you to choose which events on your TrialLine display based on a specific set of criteria. The criteria filter works differently than the traditional filter option in TrialLine in that it only displays events that match the specific criteria you select from the criteria filter menu. Think about criteria filters this way. Suppose your legal case involves a number of surgeries performed on your client by different doctors. Now suppose that you want to see only those surgeries that were performed on your client's foot by a Dr. Smith. By using the criteria search filter, you can display only those events that are in the surgery category and that have both the foot and Dr. Smith tags attached to them. All three conditions must be met in order for the event to be displayed. The criteria filtering option allows users to filter out events more specifically in order to create more granular views of their trial lines, thereby highlighting only the events that meet specific criteria as opposed to the traditional filtering system, which is intended to create broader views based entirely on a category, a tag, a contact category, or any combination of those broader selections. By default, your trial line will open in the original filter mode. To change to the criteria filter, first open the trial line that you want to work on, then hover over the Filters button to open up the Filters dropdown, and then check the Criteria Filter checkbox. Once the Criteria Filter checkbox is checked, all of the existing filters that are selected to display will become unchecked, and the user can start fresh selecting the criteria for the events they want to display. It's important to remember that the events you are selecting to display must meet all of the criteria selected from the options. So if the two criteria that are selected to display are Category 1 and Tag 1, only the events that meet both of these criteria will be displayed. Other events that are only in Category 1 and don't have Tag 1 attached to them will not display. And that is how you use the criteria filter. Go to TrialLine.net today to sign up for a free 2-week trial.